Access to your publication can be controlled by setting up subscription for your title. Once this is done, users will be presented with this login gate where they can enter in a valid username and password and gain access to your publication for viewing. Now this login gate is customizable. The coloring will match the styling of your title. You can deliver a custom message that can accommodate text, HTML, images, JavaScript, CSS. You can allow new subscribers to sign up through this login gate, and you can give them a little free preview to entice them so they will want to be a subscriber. Now I'll show you how to get all this set up later, but first I just wanted to give you a feel of what the end user will experience. If you've chosen to allow new subscribers to sign up through this login gate, which is really the most automatic way of building your subscriber list, this is the process the end user will have to complete. Clicking on Subscribe Now will take the user to the subscription form. They'll always be required to choose a username, provide an email address, and select their password. And you can make any of the system-defined fields required denoted by the asterisks. You can choose to display some non-required fields where the user can volunteer some information and add some custom fields, whether that be a drop-down menu where they choose from a predefined list, or allow for an open text field where the user can provide any other type of information you need. If this was a free publication, at this point the user could just submit this form to join the subscriber list, and depending on the new subscriber default status you've chosen, they could have instant access or require to verify their email address first, or you could have to manually adjust them to an active status in the subscriber management system. For this title, we've chosen a status of active on payment, so the user needs to choose their subscription length product, click on continue where they'll be taken to PayPal, where they need to complete the PayPal payment process in order to become an active subscriber. And once they're at the site, and if they don't have a PayPal account, they can just click on the bottom link and pay with a credit card, or they just need to log into their PayPal account, review the order, click Pay Now, and then the transaction is completed. They've made their payment. You'll see a transaction ID there that you can take note of. But at this point, the user is going to have to click on Return to Flip Technologies, and they'll be redirected back to our system, where they'll have a confirmation screen there indicating the transaction ID, which you can print, and some other information about how they should be checking their email to validate their email address. Clicking on Read Publication or Browse Archives here will take them back to the login gate where they can enter in the username and password, click Submit, and have access to the publication. Once a subscriber has logged in, they can view and edit their subscriber information through the My Account button on the bottom right. They can view their account details, change any detail other than username, and the Update Subscription tab, where they can see when their current subscription expires, and if their subscription has not expired yet, they can choose to re-up and choose another subscription product. They'll be taken to PayPal again, where they can go through the payment process once more. So that's the end user's experience on a title that you've protected. Now let's take a look at how you go about setting up that subscription for your title.